If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You can link layers in Photoshop to move their content together when using the Move tool in Photoshop. This ensures the content within the linked layers maintains their relative locations to each other if you move either within the Photoshop document using the Move tool. Additionally, if you apply a transform to a linked layer, the transform is also applied to its linked layers to maintain their relative content locations. To link layers in Photoshop, select the Layers to Link in the Layers panel. To select multiple non-adjacent layers in Photoshop, click the name of the first layer in the Layers panel to select it. Then hold down the Control key on your keyboard or Command for Max. Then click to select the other non-adjacent layers. Alternatively, to select adjacent layers in Photoshop in the Layers panel, click the name of the first layer in the Layers panel to select it. Then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. Then click the name of the last layer to select it. All layers, including and between the two layers you clicked, are then selected. After selecting the desired layers, then click the Link Layers button at the bottom of the Layers panel. To unlink a linked layer in Photoshop, click to select the linked layer to unlink in the Layers panel. Then click the same Link Layers button at the bottom of the Layers panel to toggle its layer linking off. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.